Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on ZTE Blade A32. And to do this, first we'll need to find the SIM slot, which I guess is located underneath the cover. So we'll need to open the cover. And there's actually dual SIM slot. You can put one SIM card right here and another one right here, but if you want to insert the second SIM slot, you would need to sacrifice the place for SD card. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.